A video game programmer needs to simulate a shot on a gaming screen. Here's our video game screen. The shot needs to have a slope of 6/5, which is approximately 1.2, to a target at 100, 250. So what's interesting here is that we're starting at position 0, 0, and we're going up this way and then to the right this way. This is our x-coordinate, this is our y-coordinate, this is 100, 250, that's our target, this dot here. So the idea of it, we're shooting towards this point with a slope of approximately 1.2 means that we're shooting in this direction with a positive slope. If the shooter has a horizontal position of 65, so we're talking about this being 100 over here, so 65 would be approximately here, that's 65, maybe a little bit past the center point around here. So the horizontal position is 65. What would be the shooter's position on the screen? So we want the y-coordinate. Now what do we know here? We know that this here is going to be a line we're shooting, and we have a little triangle that's formed here, little right triangle. We're trying to solve for y. We're given this slope, and we know the slope formula. Slope here is equals to y2 minus y1 over the change in y over the x2 minus x1, the change in x. So we're looking at this triangle here, and we know that the slope is given at 6/5 is equals to y2. I'm just going to make this point my x2, y2. I'm going to make this my x1, y1. What we have here is our 250 minus y over x2, which is 100, minus my x1, which is 65. So now we can cross multiply to say that 5 times 250 minus y is equals to 6 times 100 minus 65. 100 minus 65 is 35. 35 times 6. 35 times 6 is 210. And then 210 divided by 5, divide both sides by 5, is 42. And then we can move the y to this side, and we can have 250 minus 42. 250 minus 42 is 208. So y, we solve for y, is 208. So the coordinate here is going to be 65, 208. Choice C is correct.